Good morning, everyone. Thank you for attending the 7th Annual HPC-AI UK Conference. I'd like to thank Mark Wilkinson from the University of Leicester for helping me organize this conference. We've done it for 7 years now. New location. This location gives us a lot of different opportunities that we hadn't had in the past. One is the sponsors that we have who help generously sponsor this conference is located in the same room as we are. We have food and beverages that we can actually eat inside the facility. It's all right here, so we don't have to move around as much as we had to do at College Court. The restrooms are located on this side. There's 2 different doors, so if you need to exit for the restrooms, that's where they're at. You'll notice there's not water that's over there. That's okay. The water is located on the other side of the room for whatever reason. But just in case if you thought water was missing, we do have it. And if you're wondering what the wireless is, it is Tigers. Look for the SSID Tigers. And the password is Tigers with a capital T 1880. And that should get you into the Wi-Fi. So that's some logistics, but let me have Mark come in and formally announce the conference. Mark.
So good morning, everyone, and welcome to the 7th of these HPC AI Advisory Council UK conferences. Really pleased to be able to welcome you here today, and I'm looking forward to the next few days of discussions. It's obviously a very exciting time for HPC and AI in the UK, and the community is growing and diversifying in all directions. So I hope that we can use the opportunity of the next couple of days to build new connections between different parts of our communities, reach out to completely new communities that are represented here, and also obviously renew all the connections and meet all the colleagues that we know from the previous meetings as well. So welcome to Leicester. Welcome to this new venue, and I hope that you have a very productive next couple of days. It's a great pleasure to introduce Professor Dirk Schaefer. He is my new head of college, so he's the Pro-Vice-Chancellor and head of the College of Science and Engineering here at Leicester. He recently joined the university, but he's internationally known for his work on cloud-based design and manufacturing. And he's also got an outstanding record in terms of academic leadership in the higher education sector. So I know myself and other colleagues are looking forward very much to working with him over the coming years. And I'll invite him up now to say a few words of welcome and to get the conference started. So enjoy the next few days, and I look forward to talking to many of you over the next few days. Thank you.
Right. Good morning, everyone, and welcome. We are here today in a stadium of champions, home to a rugby club that holds the record for most premiership titles, the most consecutive premiership final appearances, and the most playoff appearances. It is therefore an apt venue for your conference championing excellence in your field. We at the University of Leicester are honored to have hosted the HPC-AI Advisory Council UK Conference in Leicester since 2019, and it is a great pleasure to welcome you today at the start of the 7th annual conference. It is a very exciting time for the UK HPC and AI communities. The past year has seen the publication of both the UK AI Action Plan and the UK Computing Roadmap, each backed by announcements of significant government investment. We welcome the strong commitments from both UKRI and DCIT to build a world-class computing ecosystem for the UK, supporting all the areas of research and innovation, including AI. At Leicester, we are looking forward to playing a major role in the delivery of this ambitious vision and a partnership with many of our colleagues in this room here today. Leicester is an established site within the UK's public computing ecosystem. We have hosted national computing services for over 25 years already, starting with the UK Astrophysical Fluids Facility. And then since 2010, we've also been a host site for DiRAC HPC facility, currently host one of DiRAC's data-intensive computing clusters called DIAL. We also have dedicated AI and machine learning research group in our School of Computing and Mathematical Sciences. Our local HPC cluster, the Advanced Leicester Imaging and Computational Environment, or ALICE for short, is optimized for demanding data processing, simulation tasks, and data analysis in fields like genetics, physics, engineering, and biology. We also have Spectre, a smaller HPC cluster that provides an interactive Linux environment primarily used for teaching and smaller research projects. Leicester also contributes technical leadership in exploring alternative processor technologies for DiRAC, such as the ARM-based cluster we operate as part of the HPE UK Catalyst program, and we are a partner in HPC Midlands Plus, which aims to offer high capability systems to researchers whose needs exceed their home university local provision. I applaud your conference's commitment to trustworthy computing to explore what it takes to ensure computing practices and systems are both credible and responsible. Added to this, your focus on career paths for the research technical professionals and providing opportunities for students and early career professionals is to be commended. At the University of Leicester, we are committed to building bridges and breaking down barriers between academic research and industry practice. Space Park Leicester is an example of this. It is a vibrant ecosystem that brings together researchers, engineers, students, and space-related businesses to drive innovation and maintain the UK's position as a leader in the global space industry. In terms of education, the university has a clear AI policy, which requires schools to engage students with how AI is interacting with their academic disciplines. This includes both the impact that AI may be having within academia and industry, but also the ethical and sustainability issues associated with AI use. We are seeking to support our students to become AI literate and understand both the enormous potential benefits of AI, but within a framework where students are supported to critically engage with the weakness and challenges that AI presents to the world. We offer specific degrees in the area and, for example, how AI can be applied to business intelligence or in computer science. Students are also finding out about the cutting-edge applications of AI through research, for example, how AI can be applied to space projects. We believe that by leveraging advanced data analytics, artificial intelligence, and innovative medical technologies, we can achieve better disease prediction and prevention, improved diagnosis, and early detection, enhancing patient experience and outcomes. We remain committed to ensuring inclusion in the development of AI. This month, the inaugural cohort of 50 students from Thailand arrived in Leicester as part of the Prime Minister of Thailand's One District, One Scholarship program. The aim of this program is to ignite the power of the young generation through learning and understanding cutting-edge developments in AI and technology and transforming it into a force to drive Thailand forward for a better future. The program supports young people from every district in Thailand, many of whom face socioeconomic barriers to gain international education experience. This aligns with our mission as an inclusive university. Our commitment to inclusion is also demonstrated by the fact our £100 million space industry hub is located in an area that is among the 5% most disadvantaged in the country. It will generate £750 million for the local economy and create about 2,500 jobs, supporting the government's mission to secure long-term inclusive economic growth through high-value jobs and increased productivity. The work you do not only represents the future, it enables the future. Leicester is a university at the cutting edge of research and teaching. In fields such as astrophysics and cosmology, engineering, health, and biosciences, theoretical physics, and AI systems, we at Leicester are using HPC resources to drive computational modeling research. I hope you have a very successful conference. It was Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, who said AI will be an integral part of solving the world's biggest problem, but it must be developed in a way that reflects human values. The trustworthiness of the HPC and AI tools are an essential part of delivering solutions to societal challenges that inspire confidence. At Leicester, we have always believed in the power of education to transform society and build for a better future. We are now committed to ensuring that AI's development also benefits society. And with that, thank you very much indeed and enjoy the conference.
Thank you, Dirk. Mark and I really appreciate you coming today and spending your time with us. All right, so just quickly, just want to be able to provide recognition to our sponsors. That, like I said before, if it's not for them, we weren't able to put on this conference. So we really appreciate all the sponsors, and we encourage everyone to come go visit them during the breaks and lunch. Thank you. We have a pretty extensive agenda for both day one and day two. One of the things you'll notice different from the previous conferences that we've extended the breaks. So we felt the breaks were a little bit too small and wanted to be able to give you more ample time to talk with each other, because it's not just about coming and listening to us, but being able to collaborate further through the lunches and breaks. And of course, we have the nice evening reception that's going to happen after today. Okay, so let's go on to our keynote speaker. I'm very proud to have Tobias Weinzer from Durham University. He's the professor of HPC in the computer science department, where he leads the scientific computing research group. He'll be our keynote speaker today. Tobias.